In a world of constant 24/7 access to information through social media, news channels and online news outlets, more data and numbers are being thrown at consumers and readers than ever before. But not all of it is to be trusted. Numbers matter, and how they are used and interpreted matters most. Let's take a look at a recent example of a statistic commonly used in coverage of environmental issues in the USA. The people in the US use 500 million straws every single day. That's over 1.5 straws per US resident per day, or 3.5 billion straws used in the US every single week. That statistic has been used as fact by the US media outlets for years, but only recently has the source of information really been analysed. It turns out that this statistic comes from an unofficial survey of 3 plastic straw manufacturers by a 9-year-old launching a homegrown project. In other words, the statistic is completely unverified and potentially completely inaccurate. Yet it has become commonplace in media coverage, in the text of government bills, on National Geographic programs and national park billboards, despite no one really understanding where it comes from. Equally, it's important to get the numbers you are reporting right, or else there can be some pretty embarrassing but funny consequences. On the night coverage of the 2014 Scottish Independence Referendum by CNN fell foul of just this. According to one of the US's largest news networks, a poll of polls suggested that 52% of voters wanted to remain part of the United Kingdom and 58% wanted to leave. Of course, not only does that imply a turnout of 110%, but they also got it completely the wrong way round. CNN urgently issued a correction and later projected a final result of 52% anti-independence and 48% pro-independence. So there we have it, why numbers matter and why being careful with them matters even more.